Hello children, today let's learn SK blends. Letter S sounds S and K sounds K. Together they make a sound Sk, Sk. Let's start with SK initial consonant blends. Skateboard, skateboard. Sky, sky. Skirt, skirt. Skip, skip. Skunk, skunk. Ski, ski. Now let's learn SK ending consonant blends. Ask, ask. Mask, mask. Desk, desk. Whisk, whisk. Disc, disc. Dusk, dusk. Kids, now let's practice once again. Repeat after me. Skateboard, skip, sky, skirt, skunk, ski. Kids, now your turn to read. Good job, kids. Good reading. Now let's practice ending blends. Kids, repeat after me. Ask, mask, desk, disc, dusk, whisk. Now your turn to read. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.